Welcome to West County Resource Recovery. My name is Martin. We're a division of Public Services, and we love to give tours here because it educates those who come in about recycling. Today, one of the most important things on everybody's mind is how we can save and preserve our environment. Meet your tour guide, Vince Farrow.
Hi there, I'm Vince Farrow and I'm a recycling coordinator with Recycle More. We work in partnership with West County Resource Recovery, and I'm usually in charge of leading the school tours here at the recycling center. Right here behind me you can see the recycling trucks. These are your neighborhood recycling trucks pulling into the recycling center to then dump off all the recycling in their payloads, and then it gets prepped for processing through the many machines and the different types of sorting.
Recycle More offers tours of the local recycling processing facility run by the West Contra Costa Resource Recovery Company. We run these tours to school-age kids to show the connections between their actions at home, such as recycling in the blue and green bins, and pollution issues, also resource conservation, and the local green jobs that are produced. Landfills are not sustainable solutions for our society's waste because of the pollution landfills create, which includes toxic trash juice type liquids and air polluting methane gas. We emphasize to students the correct materials that go into each waste cart they have at home. The brown cart is for garbage, the green cart is for yard waste, and possibly food waste if your city participates, and the blue cart is for recyclables such as bottles, cans, and cardboard. The kids learn about the journey each of the colored bins takes. Brown carts go to the landfill to be buried. Green cart contents, or yard waste and food waste, is processed to become compost, which is used to grow new plants or sold off to farmers. And the blue cart, or recycling bin, is first processed for recycling here at the recycling center at 101 Pittsburgh Avenue in Richmond, California, before the materials are shipped around the world on the open market to be recycled into new products. The tour today focuses on the blue recycling bin's journey. First, we prep the kids for safety. Then the students board a tour tram and enter the recycling center. Inside, students immediately see local recycling trucks dumping loads of recyclables into a large pile. Next, we witness the highly mechanical process where the mixed up, or we call commingled recycling materials, are separated into each material type by advanced machines and human labor. We have optical sorting for the plastics, we have magnets for the metal, we have a thing called a eddy current, which is a reverse magnet for aluminum, and we have hand sorters for cardboard. Once separated, most materials are squished, or we say baled, into cubes by a baler machine. We like to get kids excited about our baler by telling them they will see a real-life WALL-E from the popular animated movie. Now that we are done with the tour of the separation process, our tour stops to look at the various bales of materials stacked up and waiting to be loaded onto large trucks to then be shipped around the world on the open market to be then recycled into new materials and products. Next, we visit the Buyback Center. Here we teach students about the California redemption value of bottles and cans. Residents 18 years or older can bring bottles or cans here to redeem for cash. Before going home, students reiterate why recycling is good for people. Most people believe that recycling is a way to preserve our environment for future generations by conserving valuable resources, reducing pollution, and creating good local green jobs.
So we just got done with the recycling center tour inside. Now I want to ask, do you have any questions about what you saw?
Yeah, I have a question. Do they really use robots here?
So the robots you saw inside are the machines. You're talking about both the processing machines and then as well as the baler machine that bales the materials into cubes, just like you have right here, aluminum, milk jugs, and I think we have plastic bottles right here.
Now they're all in these big bales. What happens next?
So after the recycling is processed into bales out here, we get 32 of them, and they get stacked up and put on a forklift into a truck that ships them off around the world to an open market where they sell them from anywhere from a few $100s to even $1,000 per bale. So it's a lot of money.
So who makes the machines and robots here that bale up all these bales?
We have machines and robots inside, and they're manufactured and designed by engineers off-site. But inside we have mechanics. Kind of asks a larger question about career opportunities here in the recycling industry. And they have everything from the hand sorters to the mechanics to managers, administration staff who works on computers inside, and people like myself who educate the public on what goes on in a recycling center.
Wow, we all learned so much today here at the Recycling Center. Thanks, Vince, for being our guide.
Thank you, Abraham. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to set up a tour of your own, just go to recyclemore.com.
Hi, I'm Claudia Torian, Program Manager with Recycle More. If you have any questions about how to recycle at home, at school, or in your place of business, please give us a call at 510-215-3125 or check our website recyclemore.com. Happy recycling!